As we uploaded this video today, we have 3 more days till Christmas. And Gracie and I wanted to show you a style that goes great for a family gathering or a church function.
So today we're going to be showing you guys how to do a Christmas tree bun. So let's get started.
The first thing you want to do is put it into a mid-length ponytail, not a high ponytail, but just a mid-length, right in the middle of the back of her head. Anything I use in this video, I'll leave a link in the description box below. You're going to be needing one of these. I'm going to put this right through the ponytail. And I'm going to put some bobby pins just to hold it into place. You're going to take this whole entire ponytail and let it fall freely all around her head. Distribute the hair all around. You want to take a hair tie and just put it right around this bun. Wherever bumps you see, you just fix it up. From the front of her head, from here to here, is about 2 inches. From here to here is about 2 inches. So I'm going to take about 2 inches wide of the hair and reserve it. I'm going to have her hold this. And I'm going to bring the rest of it back. So the rest of this hair here, I'm going to go ahead and just braid it. So I'm going to split it in half. I'm going to take this and split it into 2 separate pieces. So I'm going to take this into 3 sections. I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding it. We're going to do the same thing here, over on that side. Now you have 2 of them. You're going to take the right braid and you're going to go ahead and wrap it to the left. And as you're wrapping it to the left, go ahead and secure them with bobby pins as you're wrapping it to the left. So now you're going to take this one, the left braid, and you're going to wrap it towards the right. After you're all done wrapping the braid around the bun, you're going to take the leftover hair that she was holding, you bring it back right here, and I'm going to put it into an elastic band. So you want to place the elastic band right here. It's a little bit too close up front, so I'm going to slide it back a little. Right to here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and wet this down a little bit. I'm going to take this and separate it into 3 equal parts. So you're going to create a braid, and you're going to create the braid right to here. As you're creating the braid, you're going to puff out the outside braids to create the tree. So you're just going to puff it out a little bit, just a little bit, and just create it like a tree. Pull out the outside a little bit wider as you're going down.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
so I'm done. And then I'm just going to go ahead and secure this off with another elastic band. I'm going to just place a bobby pin right here at the bottom of the elastic band. I'm just going to stick it right into the bun maker so it can hold it into place. And I'm going to go ahead and take the rest of the tail and bring it around. Just tuck it right under.
And your kid, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some.
And then you can just put whatever little ornaments that you like on this. Little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin.
Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments section below.
We love feedbacks. Let us know about your success in following our videos or parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bar right next to the subscribe button.
Please help us support our channel by clicking the links in the description. Now this helps us to continue making videos for you. If you get hungry and you want a little inspiration, click on over to our other channel, LBT Eats. In the meantime, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Until next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. Merry Christmas and God bless.